Hey, MC here. Just a quick little talk about a suppressor I've had for a while. No, not that one. Actually, this suppressor. This one is pretty much all brass. It is the Allen Co. Model 7171, and it has the UL listing. So this suppressor is designed for knocking down fires, similar to the one you might screw on your garden hose for watering the flowers or the trees. This one just moves a lot more volume. Gasket would attach to the hose. Most of these would be hanging in the stairways or the firebox or fire suppression box of large factories. Works a lot like your garden hose. Twist open, and the more you twist, the more water will fan out. It's going to hit these cuts in here and get a fan spray, or the more you open it, you get a sharper, hard stream. Hope you enjoyed the suppressor video. I hope YouTube doesn't ban me for showing and handling suppressors, but as you can see, this suppressor is not attached on any firearms, and this isn't even a firearm. It's an upper, unloaded as well. Magazines are empty. So, thanks for watching.